Menopause is the biological stage in a woman's life when her periods stop. While the average age is 51 years, it can occur much earlier in some women. The perimenopause is the stage leading up to this when hormone levels start to fluctuate. These hormonal changes can result in a wide range of symptoms, including hot flushes, sleep problems, mood swings, and memory issues. HRT, or hormone replacement therapy, is an effective treatment that can help relieve some of these symptoms by supplementing levels of the hormone estrogen. HRT treatment can be either systemic or local. Systemic HRT can be estrogen only or in combination with progesterone and works on the whole body. Local HRT uses only estrogen, which targets the genital tract and bladder. The type and dosage of HRT is personalised to each woman, factoring in medical history, menstrual cycle, symptoms, and individual preference. For example, if you've had a total hysterectomy, in most cases, only estrogen will be prescribed. Whereas if you still have your womb, combined HRT, which includes estrogen and progesterone, is prescribed. Using estrogen alone as part of systemic HRT when you have a womb can cause the womb lining to overgrow, increasing the risk of womb cancer. Progesterone protects the womb lining and lowers this risk. HRT comes in several forms. Systemic HRT includes pills, patches, gel, spray, or hormonal coil. Local HRT includes pessaries, ring, cream, and gel. Some forms, like the combined patch or pill, contain both estrogen and progesterone in a balanced dose. Others, such as estrogen patches, gels, or sprays, may be prescribed separately from the progesterone, which could be delivered through a coil or tablet. In this case, the progesterone and estrogen doses are balanced, and it is crucial to take both as prescribed. Systemic combined HRT will be prescribed as either a continuous or a cyclical regime. Continuous treatments are usually prescribed if you haven't had a period for over 12 months and/or are 54 years of age or older, and involves daily estrogen and progesterone. Cyclical treatments are usually for women who've had a period in the last 12 months and aim to mimic a 28-day menstrual cycle. Estrogen, taken every day. Progesterone, taken daily for 10 to 14 consecutive days each month, which then induces a period-like bleed. Understanding the different treatments and how to take them is vital for safe and effective use of HRT. If you are unsure, talk to your GP, practice nurse, or pharmacist.